Alright y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be painting the calipers on the Scion Tc. So we're going to be heading out to Lowe's, AutoZone, or anything so I can find the right supplies that I need, because right now they're only red and I want to change them to the theme of the car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, let's get started in painting. I don't mind it. I like it. I think it's nice.
Could be
Too light. Or I'm thinking, so the wheels are white. The reason why I was trying to do green calipers is because it's a flower. But if we're doing cosmic theme, then I think it should stay for blue and purple. Okay.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we officially decided on both just doing purple instead of doing blue and purple. just finished painting all 4 of the calipers. They're drying right now, and we're gonna see if we have to do a second coat tomorrow. So I think that's basically it, right? Alright, so we'll see you guys next time. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.